Welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will see the growth properties. So we will see the growth properties of normal and cancerous cells. Now let us see out. We can see that the normal cells, they typically grow in culture dish. So here we have this culture dish. So they will grow until they cover the surface as a monolayer. So here are the normal cells and they grow in the monolayer. Whereas when we look at the cancerous cells or the transformed cells, in contrast, these cells they have been transformed by some viruses or other carcinogenic chemicals or malignant cells that have been cultured from tumors. So they will typically grow in multi-layered clumps. These multiple clumps, or we can say that these are actually here the clumps multi-layered, and or we call them as the foci. So layered clumps are the foci. So in this way we can differentiate the growth of the normal cells in regards to the growth of the cancerous cells. Now we will see the microscopic image of the cells. For example, here is the microscopic image that shows us the how the normal cells grow. So for example, if we have these normal cells, they will grow like this, and whereas in case of the cancerous cells or the malignant cells, what happens, there occurs the formation of the clumps. So these are the actual clumps here which we were talking about. So the different clumps will happen, and like this these clumps happen and they grow in clumps to form a foci. So this is what actually happens in case of the cancerous cells.